Good morning. I'm Natasha Soderberg, Associate Head here at Butler Montessori. What does a day in the life of a primary student look like? They come in carpool and they go to their classrooms. They are greeted by their guides and their friends. They hang up their backpacks, wash their hands, they change to indoor shoes, which is part of keeping their own environment clean and tidy. And then they have a 3-hour work period. So they have enough time to completely delve into any topic that is interesting to them. And they, at some point in the morning, they're free to go and choose snack and sit with a couple of friends and have some social time. And usually, just before lunchtime, they go outside and they play on the playground. Maybe they go for a hike. Maybe they go, stomp in some puddles or in the creek. And then the noon children can go home, and the children who stay all sit together and have a beautiful lunch, hopefully outside if it's a day like today. And then in the afternoon they have another work period. So the children can again pick up something that was still with them from the morning and keep taking it further. There's no false bells that are ringing saying now you should do maths and now you should do English. The children can continue with what's in their heads. And then at 3 o'clock, they pack up and they clean up and they go back home to you.